What if you could present with confidence regardless of the subject? What if you could think on your feet anytime, any place? What if you could creatively storytell on demand? Well, that's what my workshop, Scriptless, is all about. The workshop will help to unlock the secrets to great impromptu speaking so that you can train your muscles to develop and deliver compelling speeches at ease. And that's not all. You'll gain a toolbox of techniques to help you transform every impromptu moment into an opportunity to shine. Now, the workshop's happening on the 23rd of November at the Park, which is a co-working space in Stockholm. I'm going to put a link to the event in the comments. So if you're ready to transform your public speaking, I'll see you there.